We are opening a launch now in RT Nagar. This is a pub with a dance floor, tap room, and we have multiple brands here. And we are hosting this hotel with along with the rooms, multi-cuisine, Andhra cuisine, and this is the pub with a dance floor only here. Around here we are launching it with a very big band which has come from Hyderabad. In and around here nobody has done it till now. So we would like to call everybody, and all are welcome from today, and have a great thing, and we would wish you all to make a very big success of this outlet, and every day it should be a great thing.
Bengaluru is the first branch. Bengaluru is the first branch.
How? This is the first branch in Bangalore.
ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಜಲ್ಸಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. It should not be only one branch here today. By next year we need to have another 3 branches or 4 branches along with it, and ಈ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ we will go further.
ಸರ್, ಜನತೆಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇವತ್ತು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಜಲ್ಸಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ,
ಜಲ್ಸಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಮುಂದುವರಿಬೇಕು. ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ದರ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದೇ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಲಿ ಟು ದರ್ ಹೌಸಸ್.
ಏನೇ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಏನಂತೀರಿ, ಇದು ಲಾಂಚ್ ಬಾರ್, and enter we do have a tap room along with it, and we do have a music concerts everywhere. Every week will be organizing and will be continuing from today.
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಅನುಭವ ಇದೆ ಈ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್?
ಅನುಭವ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. We are starting it today and we'll take the experience from here and establish and make it further successful from this side.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
Employees more than 150.
ಸರ್, ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ತುಂಬಾ ಪಬ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ ಪಬ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜಲ್ಸಾಲ್ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ, ಏನು ವಿಶೇಷತೆ ಏನಿದೆ?
ವಿಶೇಷತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಓಕೆ, we are getting a local theme to be performed here, not only in Kannada, in multiple other languages. South Indian languages cover ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ?
ಆಫರ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಬಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು 10 to 15% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಈಗ.
On conclusion from your side, sir, what do you want to convey to the society and the viewers as well as the people?
Convey to the society in the sense, okay fine, see, everyone will be there in their own tensions and hiccups in their lives. Come here, have a jalsa and get on to the life and to the houses in a happy mood. That's it.
Is it a microbrewery or like?
No, it's not a microbrewery.
Today we are launching Jalsa, and this has to be a very big hit. I would request all the people in and around who wants to come out and take a very big change it is, and the entire vibe is very new here. And this concept what we have created along with food, dine, restaurant, drinks, along with entertainment, live concerts, DJ floor, dance floor for both party crowd and even for the families, corporate packages, everything will be completed here in all under one single roof, which all of you can come out and enjoy your day with complete freedom and all the liberty here. So I would wish everybody will make this a very big success on this very big event, this first day. This is a very big day for us. This is Jalsa. This is a very, very big concept where all the themes have been included and we are portraying it in the market, and it will be a very big hit, hope so. I would request all of you to come have your experience here, indulge, dine in and enjoy your space, and give your valuable feedback and review as well. It will be a very big thing. So after Jalsa is launched, we will be making it other multiple outlets also. Ivaga namdu already we are into hospitality industry with F&B expenditure along with Andhra cuisine, multi-cuisine, rooms, and now we have opened into this tap room also. Further, we are also getting into the other portraits and other platforms along with this. And apart from this, we have designed with our own ideas, and we haven't taken any other chances of compromising of any of the design in and around here. So we have done this from past 2 years night and day. So yeah.
ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಡೆಕೋರೇಷನ್ ಯಾರು ಮೇಡಮ್?
Namde. I do have a company of A1 Constructions. We do designing and execution as well. The entire project was handed by me, and we have done this project. We have taken it up before 1.5 years. So now we have completed it, and it is a great success.